Tower, JetBlue 2922, ILS 3 on right.
JetBlue 2922, Kennedy Tower, following company Airbus. Wind shear report of a gain or loss of 15 knots from 1,000 feet to the surface. Wind 340 at 18, gust 24, runway 31 right, cleared to land.
31 right, cleared to land, copy the gust, and heads up right at this exact position as drone just passed above us.
You said a drone just passed above you?
Affirmative, JetBlue 2922.
Tower Delta is 183 heavy for 31 right.
Delta 183 heavy, Kennedy Tower. Use caution for a drone reported about right about your location at 2,500 feet. You're following an A320. Wind shear report of a gain or loss of 15 knots from 1,000 feet to the surface. Wind 340 at 19er, gust 24, runway 31 right, cleared to land.
Thank you. Clear to land 31 right, Delta 183 heavy.
JetBlue 2922, you cleared the land, runway 31 right, and we'll have some more questions about the drone once you're on the ground.
Tower Endeavor 5228, ILS 31 right.
Endeavor 5228, Kennedy Tower, following heavy A330, 5.5 miles ahead, caution wake turbulence. Use caution for a drone reported right about your location at 2,500 feet. Wind shear report of a gain or loss of 15 knots, 1,000 feet to the surface. Wind 340 at 18, gust 24, runway 31 right, cleared to land.
Copy all, 31 right, clear to land, Endeavor 5228.
JetBlue 2922, left on Whiskey, left on Alpha, contact ground 121.9er.
Left Whiskey, left Alpha, 219, JetBlue 2920. Thank you, good day. Congrats, JetBlue 2920.
JetBlue 2922, Kennedy ground, left Alpha, you know where you're entering the ramp?
Yeah, left Alpha, going in, standby. Should be Delta Alpha, JetBlue 2920.
JetBlue 2922, roger. And I just have a couple questions about the drone. Do you have where it was on final and what direction it was going?
Yeah, just stand by 1 second.
No problem.
And ground 2922. Yeah, it was around 2,100 feet. It looks like it was going up right along the shoreline, pretty much out to the east along the shoreline, east-northeast.
Shoreline east northeast. And were you able to tell if it was like a quadcopter or the color or anything about
Yeah,
it?
it was gray. It looked like a bigger quadcopter, and it had a green and a red light on it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And JetBlue 2922, did you have to take any evasive maneuvers for it?
Negative.
Thank you.